y'all got blessed because everybody is gone for the salon, from the salon, and I'm not done with my hair. So I've been doing them in between clients, and it's looking pretty good. I'm like, I was just saying, like, oh, this is a lip gloss on. Birds. Bees. Cause I like this lip gloss because I don't never think I look good in lipstick ever. Like, I just feel like I look funny when I have lipstick on. But that right there is just like lip gloss, a little bit of sheen, and a little, just enough color. See, because my lips look pink. Anyway. So I am doing this style. See, and because like nobody's here and I don't have to have the music on and I don't have to do a voiceover, you can actually experience me firsthand. So you see my little puffs, but I'm just 2-strand twisting this hair. Now you can like lock this hair in however you want. Like if my hair was longer, cause I know y'all gonna beat me up about the rubber bands, I already know. But if my hair was longer, I would like loosen it up here and probably just crochet it in. But my hair is just a little bit, so, but that was cute. I should have showed y'all how I look when I just had them puffs in my hair. I was so cute. Okay, so see how this puff sticking out? So all I'm doing is taking this hair and hiding my little puff right in there. Ink. So, see, I'm not even done, and I know this is gonna be so cute. So cute. All right, so I think I showed you before, I am using like 4 strands of this hair. You know what I thought about though? Watch when I put this in. Hold on. Wait. This is 4. I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're even. This one isn't. He acting up, but he even. So I'm taking 2 rubber bands. And I'm just like going like this. That's all that. Like that. And then pulling it towards each other. Just putting one under the other. And then pull it tight. Oh, one pop. Not good. So now I only got 1. I'm not going to put another one. It should be all right. I don't leave hairstyles in long, so this will be in like 2 days. So all I'm doing it is wrapping it around my little hair. My little afro puff that was so cute. I'm wrapping around my hair, wrapping around my hair. I didn't really make them that tight because I already got rubber bands on and y'all already gonna like ride me about that. So I didn't make them tight. They're pretty loose, you see? Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing, bing. And I'm just gonna wrap this around and then 2-strand twist it. So what I was doing before, like see how I wrapped it around to like hide my poof. Now if your hair is longer, and it should be like, if your hair is relaxed, it would be very difficult for me. Now, there's some master braiders out there, and they got the world figured out, and I know they're going to be like, yes, you can, girl. But for me, I can't, like, I'm not trying to hide your natural hair, your relaxed hair inside this natural hair. I'm not finna do that. So don't come asking me to do your hair like this and your hair bone straight. But if you're natural and your hair is longer, you can just twist this into your hair. I just got a little knot right there, so there's nothing I could do but, you know, do this part and whatever. Oh, I'm looking cute already, y'all. Look. My forehead, y'all just don't understand how it is to live with a big forehead. Like, I love my forehead, though. I still part my hair in the middle. I still, like, I would wear my hair straight back with my big forehead because I'm still cute. Anywho, look. I'm a whole vibe. I'm a whole African model vibe. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna finish this. So I'm getting 4 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Throat's a little scratchy. You know, we had African dust over here. That's why I'm doing my hair like this, because African dust was flying over the world and I was feeling real Wakanda-ish. And so now I'm big time African princess around here. This one, see, this one's smaller. It's still 4. It's still 4 of them, but it's thin. That's fine, though. Because your girl's still gonna be cute. So wrapping it around the little knot ball. Very loose, as I said. Okay. Then sorry about that. I had to cut out for a mint tint. I don't know why I try to be so ghetto, y'all. I grew up on an Air Force base. Then I moved to the country. So between Air Force bases, Miami-Dade County represent. Yeah. Air Force bases, then Homestead, then this sweet baby Jesus Palaca. I decided that I was gonna be suburban ghetto. Oh, college graduate out here. But yeah. Okay, so you see I'm almost done. That was the model eyes I put on y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna do the last one, like I said. Oh, look. Now, y'all see, being too wild, I didn't pop both of the rubber bands. I'm gonna do it again. But I want y'all to look at how it looks when I just have it loose. So I was like, oh, I hope maybe I can untwist these and it'll look like this. But if not, let me see how many. This is good information. I hope you watched the whole video so you have this information. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 4 packs. Oh, no, it's 5 packs. My head big. 5 packs because I bought 6, and so I just opened the last one. So this is a 6 pack because the last one only had 3, and you know we need 4. So 4. But look how it looks when I put it. Now, I don't know if your hair is short like mine, how you would hide this little knot. You could probably just take one of them and pull it over it. Like I said, I'm not doing it super tight because I'm not going to wear it long. But maybe if you did something like this or even probably wrapped it around. But look how cute would I be if I just left it loose. I didn't even think about that. I really be thinking like I'm a whole like natural, almost dreads having. This is the 3rd time I cut down my hair like this. Actually, probably like 4th time. I let my hair grow out and then I cut it again all the time. But okay, so I'm gonna make this last one. And then that's going to be the end of the video, guys. I love you. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Like my page, share with your friends. I'm going to do a lot more. Naturally TC is not just about natural hair. It's about a natural lifestyle. It's about living an authentic lifestyle. It's about enjoying life and the things you do and getting optimal experience while we still have time on the earth, okay? So you guys be blessed. Like and subscribe and share with a friend. I love you. Okay, finish. Ah! Goodness. Okay, finished product, good people. I still haven't looked at the back, but hopefully it looks okay. Like, is it covering enough? Probably have to, because my back is still out. My back was too little to cover it, but you know, I'm still, I'm not like a fan of big Texas hair. That's what my teacher in cosmetology school, Mr. Delp. Y'all know Mr. Delp from Palm Beach State College, graduate of Redken. I don't know if it was college or academy, but yeah, he's a graduate. But look at this. I can dig this. I probably have to pull them up because, you know, you got to make it fit your face. Like, that's the thing. Like, you get your hair done, but you still got to make it fit you. So, even me, like, if I get a style, you know, I'll be like, oh, it's cute. But then, you know, you're going to go home and do whatever to it to make it you. I still might take these out afterwards, even more sooner than later. But this is cute, right? I don't like this all the way through, so I noticed like when I did this, that's what I should have did. I should have did like brick laid like the parting, because then I would have had one here, which would have kind of balanced it a little bit better. But it's whatever. It'll be in for 2 days. I might pin it up or just walk around like I think I'm cute. Like some hairstyles, you just gotta be like, oh, I'm cute regardless. Don't let them hate on you, girl. I'm cute. All right. Thank you guys for watching.